Alright, how can we use Visla AI? Well, we have the AI video section here, which we use to create videos, right? That's what I think we're all interested in. True, you can record video and screen, but we're more interested in the editor, aren't we? So let's click on Create Video with Artificial Intelligence here. Let's see, as they haven't specified if it's an AI avatar or not. So let's check it out. Well, it says, describe your idea. It says, English, Italian, French, Portuguese, Spanish, German, Dutch are supported. Okay, I assume these are the languages for the prompt. So we're going to ask it to make a promotional video of AI online courses. In other words, a promo video for AI courses. As you can see, we can upload text, a link, and more. We'll just go with that prompt. Let's give it total creative freedom. It's true that the more specific we are, the more it'll stick to the exact content we want. But since we don't want any specific content here, let's give it total freedom and see what it comes up with, okay? So here we can customize our video, choose our voice and style, right? Our video is promotional. They explain how it starts and all that. The language will be English, duration flexible. Let's leave it as flexible. Actually, no, wait, 30 seconds. I don't want it flexible. I want it as short as possible. Visual pace, fast, okay? What's visual pace? It's basically how often it changes scenes or images, right? Or what's happening on screen. Well, we want it to be fast. We're making a short video. We need it to be frantic to keep people watching. Then we have B-roll tag. Nothing special, really. And here we can choose if we want normal stock footage or just free stuff. I'll choose free too. Let's see if it allows me, okay? Just to see how it would do it. Then we go to audio. We can pick any audio we want. This one's fine. For style, if we want 9:16, let's choose 9:16 and see how it fits. Looks like it fits well, huh? Responsive design. Optimal or feed? Fill. Okay, let's set it to fill and hit generate video, right? Let's see what we get if it generates something. Well, it's starting to generate it now. I think it's a free trial or something. Let's see what we get. Well, it seems to have generated the video for us. Unlock your future with AI. Blah, blah. Let's see how it did. It has all kinds of stock, so let's hit play. The music so far seems good. Typical sales music. I don't really like the subtitles, to be honest. I like the image transitions, though. Let's see if it changes again. Well, it's changing. This one's changed a lot from the start, which is good for initial variations. Again, the subtitles are, and video quality seems low. Maybe due to free versus premium. So if we hit edit, we can modify many things I've criticized, right? Like the subtitles. These subtitles, I'm sorry, but whoever made them, my god, what a mess, huh? I'm so sorry. With this quality, I'd rather remove them. Now there are different colors. Oh my, who on earth did this? The problem isn't, it's the font. They won't let me change it, which is crazy, you know? I can't customize the color. Oh my goodness. I'd remove all the subtitles, every single one. We can add custom text. Once again, they won't let me change the font. I don't get why. We can add graphics, style, what we've already set up. And, well, additionally, we have transitions too, but that's it for text. So that's how we can create videos with Visla.